Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Power Apps app from a SharePoint list step by step. I'll be working on the web, but once the app is created, it'll work cross-platform. First, open the SharePoint list you want to turn into an app. When you open the list from SharePoint, you're automatically taken to Microsoft Lists. To view it, that's completely normal. The list is always available in both Microsoft Lists and SharePoint. Once your list is open, look for the Integrate button in the command bar at the top of the screen. Click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu with integration options. From that menu, navigate to Power Apps, then click on Create an App. This is a nested menu path. Integrate, then Power Apps, then Create an App. Once you click that last option, Power Apps Studio will start loading. Now just wait for Power Apps Studio to finish loading. It opens in a new browser tab and automatically generates an app for you. You'll see three screens: a browse screen to scroll through all items in your list, a details screen that shows all the information about a single item, and an edit screen where you can create or update items. If you want to test the app before making any changes, click the preview icon in the top toolbar. It looks like a play button. The app preview opens and shows you exactly how the app works. This step is optional, but it's a quick way to see what SharePoint generated for you. Once you're happy with it, click Save in the top right area of Power Apps Studio. This saves the app to your Power Apps environment. Finally, you need to publish the app to make it available to users. Click the Publish button. You'll find it either in the File menu or in the top command bar. Once you publish, any changes made in the app will automatically sync with your SharePoint list. And you're done. The app is now live in your Power Apps environment. You can access it anytime by going to make.powerapps.com. If you want to share the app with other users, you can do that directly from Power Apps Studio. And if you need to make any customizations later, just open the app in Power Apps Studio and edit it. Any changes you make will sync back to the list automatically. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.